This is the real whistle, guys. Dude, come on!
Hey, you were out! You know I shot you like 20 times!
Dude, camera hit don't count.
Camera hit and you had to go full auto on him?
I didn't go full auto.
Why would he cry then?
I went burst.
Why would he
Dude,
cry?
come on!
Why would he cry?
Jeez.
Why would he cry if you didn't go full auto and I saw you too?
There's more people here than me.
Dude, it was you the whole time. Bro.
Dude, it wasn't me.
You know he shot you like 20 times right now.
I don't know what to do anymore. Hit! Jeez.